Okay guys, today I'm going to do a video on how to reset a fire alarm pole station. Now this can be really good for firefighters or newer fire alarm enthusiasts. So let's get started. Most pole stations take a key, but some others can take a flathead screwdriver. Like this simplex one right here takes a key, as you can see, and this one right here takes a screwdriver. So if someone activates the fire alarm, and you need, and I don't know if you need, like if let's say you need to know how to reset it, you put your key in right here, turn to the right, and then you can reset it. However, this one is spring-loaded, so when you reset it, it goes right back up. But some others, when you reset it, you have to pull it back up. However, this model does not require that such action. Here's another example, a dual action pole station. I can't really reset this one today because I don't have a key for it yet, but you would turn this and then this whole piece would go like down. And there's a light switch inside that you have to flip. But I could probably show you on another one, but this one, the next one, requires a flathead screwdriver. So here you'd get probably a 1/8 flathead screwdriver. You would put it in here, twist, let's figure this out here. This might take a second because the screw is a little damaged. Okay, so I've exposed this. So let's say when you pull, when it's pulled, right? It's gonna be flipped up here. Literally, all you want to do is just flip it back down, pull this piece, push this piece up, and before I do anything, you do want to make sure that this is flipped back down because you could break it. But as you do that, just snap it, and that's literally how you reset one of these. I hope you guys found this video useful. So again, some pole stations take flathead, a key, sometimes an Allen wrench. You know what? This video's not over yet. This one takes a hex key. This, you would get your standard 3/32 hex key, I believe. Turn it, and it would, and this one's already unlocked. This one would open this, and this has the same light switch mechanism. It might already flip back up because this one's also spring loaded. So okay, it did not do it this time. You'll have to sometimes you'll have to flip that back up, or else you can make the alarms go off again, which would not be good. But that's all I have for this video. I hope that, I hope this video was useful. Again, this video would probably be for like firefighters or newer end fire alarm enthusiasts. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.